Many people don't know that you can change the brightness or the level of brightness of your flashlight on your Android phone. And actually it's very easy. All you need to do is first turn on the flashlight. After you do that, all you need to do is press on the word flashlight. And notice that you need to press on the word itself, not the icon. Then you will see this menu with 5 levels of brightness depending on your software or the latest Android version you have. All you need to do is press on the different levels and you will notice an increase or decrease in brightness. When you're done, press the word done and turn on the flashlight or turn it off, and the changes will be saved. Just a friendly reminder, if you increase the brightness to level 5, you will notice that the flash will get very hot and it would consume your battery. So I advise that you should put it on level 3, which will help you maintain your battery for a longer time. Thank you for watching.